If you're searching for how to buy shares of Saniona AB, this short guide walks you through the core steps to acquire SANION.ST. Saniona AB is a Swedish biopharmaceutical company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker SANION.ST, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To buy the stock, you'll need a broker. We'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SANION.ST to find the listing. Select the matching Saniona AB result to open its asset page. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the correct listing. Double-check the exchange shows CBOE EU and the ticker SANION.ST. Before proceeding, press Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm to submit it. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirmation. After a successful purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to explore the platform further.